Hello guys, how are you today? Feel fine? Again, a big surprise for you. Maya is in the house.
Hi everyone!
Today we will show you how to cut the parts from the spool and how to prepare the body. This video will be long, so half of the video will be with Maya and half of the building will be with me. She will show you how to cut the part, how to send them, and I will... Maya, what you doing?
Cut!
Okay, so she will do the cut from the part from the spool, and I will show you how to prepare the body, and I hope everybody will understand what we're doing here. I hope you enjoy. By the way, we fixed the problem with the camera and the voice, so you can hear us better. And Maya, you want to say something?
Yes, of course. Hi everyone! My name is Maya. Nice to meet you. I'm so excited to be here with you, my husband Yaniv.
Thank you.
And let's work.
Okay, so now we start to work. We hope you enjoy. A big surprise for you, Maya. If she can do it, everybody can do it. So
Yes.
watch her doing and enjoy the style.
Enjoy.
Bye bye. So guys, now we change the angle of the camera and we see the workbench with Maya and me. We try to make it in the good position. Sorry that you not see our face. It's better to see the parts and how to cut them. So what we need for cut the parts, we need the side cutter, sanding stick by Micromash, as I show from the basic tools, and a hobby knife. This is the three parts that Maya using. She loved them. I can take from her. So now she will start to cut the parts. And this is the small spool because all the spool is the same more or less. So we do it on video. Only this spool, and you can cut the part all the same like she do in this video. Okay. So see her hand moving and working. Maya, you can start. As you can see, she checked everything is okay. Now she will show you how to send the parts and prepare for the next step that we'll do in the next video. If some of you know how to do it, so you can forward to the half of the video and you will see my hand working on the body of the Porsche Carrera GT. Look what she do now. She cut the small pieces from the part himself, and after that she send the parts. Imagine, very easy. After that you can remove it. That's it. Okay. This is one technique to hold some parts for painting. So guys, a big thank you to Maya, and now we are stay alone. So bye bye, and we continue now.
Bye.
Okay guys, we continue alone. Maya left us and we are very sad, but we have to continue and prepare this body, beautiful body, to a good coat of primers. I will show you what to do. I will show you my tips on the body. I don't know if somebody else do it in a different way, but it's your decision to make it how you want to make it. So first of all, what we need to do is mark the mold line. Okay, the mold line is come from the factory of the car that make it. Tamiya make this mold line because they need to make the plate for this wonderful body. I have here also mold line that I mark, but I also have here mold lines in this area and also in this area. You need to mark it all and sand it, but we do it only in this area. So I show you what I'm doing. I use a sanding sponge and start sand it slowly and safely in each direction that you want. It's not matter, just get rid of them from the black line. And I will explain later why we need to remove the mold line. But now let me focus what I'm doing with my hand. You can see it better. I'm just sanding the mold line. I use a sponge because it is soft and you can bend. You can go to the filler of the cars, as you can see, then sand it. It's very easy. And you not destroy the shape of the car. If you use the sandpaper, sometimes you can destroy the shape of the car. This is why we need to sanding sponge. It's better, it's helpful, and it's very good one by Tamiya, never mind. Okay, after that what I'm doing is dip the lines between the hoods and the bumpers and the doors. What I'm doing, as you can see, I go inside the hole and go down all the way and take material out. It's very important to do it because when you paint, they can disappear because a lot of paint and layers of paint. So we little bit dip it. I make it 4 or 5 times. You can bend switch your model to the good shape. Just stay focused and stay in the line. I try to be in focus and talk. It's also hard to me, but I try to do my best for you. You can do it with another tool by Tamiya. It's an engraver. It's very good but little bit expensive. I use a 0.3. You can put the same technique. You can do it easily, slowly, in all direction that you want. Look what I'm doing. Very good one. You can do it on the front bumper. Here, on the doors. I will do it, but you not see it because we not have time. This video is already too long, and I want you to see the more things that I want to show you. But on this video, it's just preparation of the body. After that, I will finish it. But I hope you understand what I'm doing. After I wash this model and is ready for painted, I also use a Tamiya paint stand that I can spin and shoot with my beautiful Grex the paint. I will show you how I do it. It's very stabilized, it can fold, and I think it's awesome tool. Some people use glass, or I don't know the technique. This is my technique. It's very easy. You can spin and paint. Do it slowly, but this more or less the preparation of the body. No need to sand in too much the car. Some people sand all the car. They want a better stick with the primer. I don't have any issue with the primers that I use. I use a Steinerized primer. I can show you this one. Yes, Steinerized. It's a good one. It's a acrylic base. very good. I know the issue with this primer, but you can use any primer that you want. It's up to you. So the next video you see me shaking and paint this beautiful body with paint job. Also the rest of the part that I need to paint in red, I will paint before with white, because we need the red bridges. We want the red pop up. Okay, so hope I understand. I hope you understand, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoy, and if you have any question about anything that I do or Maya do, ask us. Thank you very much and good day. Bye bye.